Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Katie Campbell, the diva, and in today's video I will be showing you guys how to do a quick little makeup while you're on vacation, especially if you're going to the tropics. I'm currently in Jamaica and it's extremely hot, and I'm just going to do a little shoot today, and I wanted to do a little makeup, you know, nothing too much. Now today's video is actually sponsored by SUREPASS Institute. Academic success is a must. Now, the board director of SUREPASS Institute is Mr. Xavier Campbell. Yes, if you're wondering, he is my brother, of course. Now, at SUREPASS Institute, they do offer several courses. They are mathematics, principle of accounts, principle of business, English language, human and social biology, among others. You can register now online, or you can register by calling Mr. Xavier Campbell at 876-373-9473. They do offer day and evening classes. They offer private and group tutoring, so you can get your friends come together and you guys can contact them and set up something for yourself. And they do also have online and face-to-face, whichever works for you, because remember, it's your schedule and they can work with that. You can also find them on Facebook at SUREPASS Institute and on Instagram at SUREPASS Institute. They are also located at 5 Denby Crescent, Maple, Clarendon, and you can also reach them by email at surepassinstitute99@gmail.com. So go on ahead and support and better yourself, because we all need help sometimes, and you need to go out and reach out to the best. Not because he's my brother, but he's the best, one of the best. Mr. Xavier Campbell at SUREPASS Institute. Check them out. Brows off camera because they do take a little bit more time than usual, so all you have to do is go ahead and check out my tutorial that I have dedicated for brows. I will link it down below in the description, also in the cards above. Guys, as I said, I'm currently in Jamaica and it's extremely hot, and I have to have like 3 fans. I have 1 over there, 2 overhead. So the sound is a bit annoying, hence why I'll be doing a voiceover for the rest of the video. But just go ahead and listen to my instructions, and I hope this helps, and I hope you enjoy the tutorial. And remember, check it out, SUREPASS Institute. Academic success is a must. Okay. Now, let's get straight into all of this.
So guys, the first thing that I did was put on my skincare, I did my skincare routine, and then I jumped right into putting on my primer, and I used the Hydro Grip primer from Milk Cosmetics. Love this primer. I really see a difference in my makeup. And then, because you know Jamaica is really hot and stuff, I wanted to go in with a little bit more reinforcement, so I used the NYX Shine Killer primer in my T-zone area, so that's the center of my face, just to add more reinforcement. I then went into the Maybelline Fit Me Loose powder in number 35, and I used my powder puff to set the primers in place, and it does help with a lot more coverage. It gives me more coverage and more longevity, and I usually do this regardless of whatever situation weather situation I'm going to encounter with. So I love this step. I never skip it. I then went into my foundation, which is the Warm Coconut from Maybelline Super Stay, and this is number 356. That's one of my favorite foundation. If you've been watching me for a while, you know how much I really like this foundation. So yeah, I brought that with me. And it held up pretty well in my opinion. And I just blend that out under my neck, my chin, a little bit over my ears, not too much though, because my hair is I was gonna let my hair down anyways. Then I went in with my concealer, and it is also from Maybelline. It's the Age Rewind concealer in I think this one is caramel. If it's not caramel, it's tan, but I strongly believe it was caramel. And I just use my Real Techniques concealer brush, or no, this brush is actually meant for contouring, but I actually do like how it blends out my concealer, so I did use it to blend out my concealer, and it blended out pretty well. I didn't have any sponge with me, unfortunately, so I just had to use the brush. I had to use all brushes. So yeah, so I just blend that out. Usually I start from like the center of my face and stuff, and then I leave my under eyes for last, but for some reason I didn't do that today, so I just went with the flow. So while I'm doing that, I was just talking to my brother, and on that same topic, my brother he recently launched a show on his Instagram. It's called Agents of Change. It's live social media interviews with different guests each week. This week he will have Andre Reed. Um, it will be on Saturday at 5 p.m. on his Instagram, RAS PIZZLE. I will link the poster on the page, and you guys can go ahead and check him out. If you're not able to this week, please try to for one of the weeks he has ahead. You can go ahead and check him out. Truly, I am so proud of him and everything that he's doing, and I just want to do my part with just spreading awareness about his brand and what he's doing. And he's a phenomenal person, and I'm so proud of him. Brother, continue going, continue doing your stuff, and I'm here to support you in whatever way I can, however I can. And shine on, brother, shine on. I love it, love it. So yeah, back to the video. I'm just blending out the contour areas of my face. I did use the Maybelline Super Stay Stick Foundation in, I think, mahogany. I love this because I'm telling you, it blends out so beautifully. The blend is just phenomenal. As you can see, as soon as I touch the brush over it, it just blends out. So I really love that product as well. I really rock with Maybelline Heavy. I really do. I have high-end stuff, don't get me wrong, but I rock with Maybelline stuff heavy, bro, because I just love it. And I don't wear makeup all the time, mostly for when I'm doing content and stuff, and like when I go out occasionally. That's very rare. So I tend to just use these stuff on a regular basis, and I leave my more higher end stuff when I'm going out. But like when I do my videos and stuff, I try to use my lower end stuff because they're easier and cheaper to replace. So yeah, so after I finish blending out the contour and the highlighted areas, I then set my highlighted areas. So before I go in with the Maybelline powder, the same one I used earlier, I actually go back over with the brush to blend out the concealer to make sure there's no creases, because you don't want to use the powder to set the creases. You want to make sure it's smooth and it's blended, and then you set it. So after I'm done setting the highlighted areas, I didn't go in with a separate powder for contour because I didn't want the harsh look. So what I did was I went ahead with my my powder, my all over face powder, setting powder, to set the rest of my face, and that included the contour areas. And I just set it with the Sephora. It is the Sephora Micro Smooth powder, and it's the claims, or the name is spot on. It smooths your face out. So after that, I went in with some black eyeliner and in my waterline, and then I use some brown eyeshadow from the Morphe 35B palette to basically blend that out and give me a little flare. And then I prime my lashes with some black mascara to put on because I'm going to put on lashes eventually. So I just prime that, define them. I also put some on my bottom lashes to make them pop more, because I just love the extraness, you know, that's me already. So once I'm done with that, then I think I went in with the blusher. So I went in with my blusher to warm up my face a little bit more and, you know, give me that, you know, perky look. So I used MAC Raisin. I never use anything else. I really don't. I always use Raisin by MAC. Always. And then I went in with my another favorite. I love this. I love it. I use it almost in every looks I do. Every look I do since I bought this highlighter. Yeah, and this is the Fenty Hustler Baby. I love it. I love it. I love it. I use it all the time, like right throughout. Like I rarely use any other highlighters, and I have so many others, but I don't use them a lot anymore. The one that I have in my hand is also a highlighter. I tend to use that a little bit in my nose, on my nose, because the Hustler Baby is a little bit harsh for my nose, so I use one of the colors in that quad right there. So I love this too. This is one of my favorite too. Then I went in to line my lips with my brown eyeliner pencil, and then I went in with a P. Louise concealer. Well, it's like an eye primer, but I use it as a lipstick, and then I basically blend out the pencil first, and then I go in with the P. Louise primer base on my lips. I blend it out to the best of my ability by smacking my lips and using the brushes that I had on hand and blend them out. And then I went in with my NYX, I think, yes, NYX liquid liner to enhance my beauty marks that has been erased with the foundation, so they bring back more light to my face and dimension. Then after that, I went in with some lip gloss for my lips because I wanted to, you know, guys, I love lip gloss. I love lip gloss. So I just put on some lip gloss. And then after I put on my lip gloss, I then put on my lashes. You will see how I do that. And then I use some setting spray. You really want to use setting spray in abundance, because that's what's going to help your makeup last long. And make sure you're sitting in front of the fan, or you fan yourself to make sure it dries down, and it will keep and set your makeup in place. So I think that's it. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and click the bell to be notified each and every time I upload a video. Go ahead and check out my brother SUREPASS Institute, and also check out his show on Instagram, Agent of Change. I truly appreciate you guys for rocking with me, supporting me, and yeah, thank you guys so much. So one big up on yourself. I'm with sooner in the next video. I will be closing this out. So yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.
Take it easy.
Hi guys, so thank you so much for sticking by and watching this video. I really do hope you enjoyed this look. Please remember to go ahead and check out SUREPASS Institute. Academic success is a must. They are located at 5 Denby Crescent, Mapen, Clarendon, and they can be contacted by phone and by email. By phone 876-373-9473, and by email it will be surepass99@gmail.com. Tell them Katie sent you. Again, thank you for watching. Please remember to subscribe to my channel, like the video if you enjoyed what you see today, thumbs it up, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye.